My name is Bill Hazard. I own a company called Novo Precision. I have a 20-plus year background in operational consulting and private equity. I've worked with many companies and industries around the world. One of the most powerful tools which I've seen is how we actually manage the shop floor. I've gotten the opportunity to evolve this approach, and now we are selling and marketing something called the Lean Metrics Stand, which will help you in how you manage your shop floor. A Gemba or shop floor walk is a daily shop floor review where prior day performance to plan is reviewed by the entire leadership team. This does not happen sitting in a conference room. This happens by going to the shop floor. The structure of the meeting is centered around Plan, Do, Check, Act, where we have metrics for safety, quality, delivery, cost, and morale. And performance is measured daily and reported out by area leadership on how they did prior day, what their problems were, and what their strategies are to improve. One of the challenges in starting this is just getting this set up at the in the right location, with the right forms, with the right metrics. And what we've done is developed a standard system which we think will save you a lot of time. So what I'm going to do is walk you through how our Lean Metric Stands are set up. And it's up to you. You can customize this, you can evolve this to your specific needs, but I think this is a good starting point. So we have our production analysis boards. This is the current day, this was the prior day. So when we report out, we have the prior day, and leadership can report out on what actually happened the prior day. So what a production analysis board does is it tracks hourly what our plan was, what our actual is, cumulative for the day, and are we winning and losing by hour. If we have any scrap issues, document it. If we have any problems, that's also documented. So we have that for the last 2 days. Our first target is our safety target. Right? So we have a binary, did we make our safety target for the day or did we not make the safety target for the day? So no OSHA reportables, no near misses, and no past due safety audit action items. So that's a win if we can achieve that during the course of the day. That is a win. We have a trend which shows what issues we have, and then we have a living Pareto which we document what the issues have been that we had through the course of the month. So this will build during the course of the month, and we can see very clearly what our safety issues are if we have any in the area. This is our quality summary. Right? For us, a win is no customer quality problems, which we generally achieve, and we hit our first pass yield target. And so this is our trend and how we're doing with our first pass yield. These are the Pareto, living Pareto of quality issues which we've had for the month. For delivery, we measure, did we hit our daily output target? Right? Our delivery trend, right, we have, and then our Pareto are what are the issues that have impacted our delivery. This is our cost target. So a win for us for the day is we hit our daily efficiency target and we do not have any scrap. This is a trend of our efficiency, which is calculated by the area leadership. This is a Pareto of the issues which are impacting our cost. Then we have our morale. A win for the day is no unplanned absences, no unplanned early or late arrivals. We have our trend on early and late arrivals and absences, and then we have a Pareto of what the issues were. Then the whole concept of this really, emphasizes kind of that plan, do, check, act thinking, where we have a plan for each one of these, we do it, we check how did we do versus that plan, and then we want to develop actions to improve. What I do with my team is we work on, hey, what are the top 3 things we're working on? So the area leadership has ownership for this, and what they will always be focused on, okay, what are the top 3 improvements we're working on as a team in that area. We hope that that's aligned with what our needs are and what our data is showing us. Right? And the last thing, we just have an open. We have a, this is space. You can use this how you want. We have a A3 up here for the area, which the area leadership team will do. We could use that for problem solving. We could use that for presenting data, but it's just an extra space to be able to be used by the team in communication. The biggest benefit I feel of the Lean Metrics Stand is in the areas which you implement this will significantly raise the level of thinking of area management. Right? So just the process of thinking about what the plan is, measuring that, checking how did we do on that, and then taking action will raise your area leadership to a higher level. The other benefit which goes along with that is when an area gets measured and knows they're getting measured, that often drives improvement in itself. Other benefits include, this will make your shop floor look much more organized and professional, with the metrics there. One of the other benefits is we give you all the documents, so you do not need to create this. We'll give you the electronic documents to be able to implement this and adapt this. One of the big benefits too in a shop floor, often you do not have walls to put 4x8 whiteboards. So what this does is allows you to, right at point of use, put a stand that's less than 3 feet in diameter and use that. And then another big point here is it's a very cost-effective solution. So when I used to implement these, we'd have to design these in the tool rooms, and it would be very expensive and time-consuming to do. This allows you to buy it, and you can assemble it in 10 minutes. Right? We have a guarantee, so if you're for any reason unhappy with this thing, you can return it in the first month with a small restocking fee. And then also